Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn about the use of do, does, don't, doesn't. Let's see the use of do and does. Do. We use do after pronouns such as I, you, we, they. For example, I do, you do, we do, they do. Does. We use does after pronouns such as he, she, it, or any other noun. For example, he does, she does, it does, John does, Lily does. Do and don't are usually used to begin a question. Let's see some more examples using do. I like ice cream. Do you like ice cream? You like jumping. Do you like jumping? We have a holiday tomorrow. Do we have a holiday tomorrow? They eat bread and jam for breakfast. Do they eat bread and jam for breakfast? Let's see some more examples using does. He works in a bank. Does he work in a bank? She trusts him. Does she trust him? It works loudly. Does it work loudly? John drives the car slowly. Does John drive the car slowly? Now let's practice few examples. I will display few sentences. You can read them, pause the video and think the correct answer. So let's start. Number 1. Dash Jane live in Japan. Number 2. Dash you have a pen. Number 3. Dash he like football. Number 4. Dash they eat noodles. Number 5. Dash mom bake cakes. Number 6. Dash she study well. Now let's check the answers. Number 1. Does Jane live in Japan? Number 2. Do you have a pen? Number 3. Does he like football? Number 4. Do they eat noodles? Number 5. Does mom bake cakes? Number 6. Does she study well? So hope you all have done the sentences correctly. Now let's see the use of don't and doesn't. Don't equals to do plus not. Doesn't equal to does plus not. Don't. We use don't after pronouns such as I, you, we, they. For example, I don't, you don't, we don't, they don't. Doesn't. We use doesn't after pronouns such as he, she, it, or any noun. For example, he doesn't, she doesn't, it doesn't, John doesn't, Lily doesn't. Let's see some sentences using don't. I don't like red dress. I don't like ice cream. You don't speak proper English. You don't know the address. We don't have enough water. We don't need to wake up so early. They don't eat bread and jam for breakfast. They don't want to visit us. Let's see some sentences using doesn't. Does Tom take part in competition? No, he doesn't. Does he speak proper English? No, he doesn't. She doesn't like to play chess. Does Lily have a cat? No, she doesn't. Now let's practice few sentences. Here I will display few sentences. You can pause the video and guess the correct answers. Number 1. I dash like to eat apple. Number 2. Dash you have school on Saturday. Number 3. Pam dash like to play carom. Number 4. We dash have any money left with us. Number 5. She dash wash her car. Number 6. It dash have big wings. Now let's see the correct answers. I don't like to eat apple. Number 2. Don't you have school on Saturday? Number 3. Pam doesn't like to play carom. Number 4. We don't have any money left with us. Number 5. She doesn't wash her car. Number 6. It doesn't have big wings. I hope you all have understood today's lesson. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to watch more such videos. Thank you.